President Bola Tinubu on Wednesday said the year 2025 will bring brighter days for all Nigerians. The president, who said this in his New Year's message to Nigerians, affirms that 2025 brings many hopes, aspirations, and prospects for better days. Tinubu acknowledged that the year 2024 posed numerous challenges to citizens and households. He highlighted the achievements of his administration on foreign exchange, trade, fuel prices, cost of food and essential drugs, saying it reflected the renewed confidence in our economy. His message reads, "Dear fellow Nigerians, as we enter 2025, I wish everyone a happy and prosperous new year. May you be rich in joy, success, and good health. As the new year dawns, it brings many hopes, aspirations, and prospects for better days. By the grace of God, 2025 will be a year of great promise in which we will fulfill our collective hopes. Though 2024 posed numerous challenges to our citizens and households, I am confident that the new year will bring brighter days. Economic indicators point to a positive and encouraging outlook for our nation. Fuel prices have gradually decreased, and we recorded foreign trade surpluses in 3 consecutive quarters. Foreign reserves have risen, and the naira has strengthened against the US dollar, bringing greater stability. The stock market record growth has generated trillions of naira in wealth, and the surge in foreign investment reflects renewed confidence in our economy. Nevertheless, the cost of food and essential drugs remain a significant concern for many Nigerians' households in 2024. Mr. President promised that in 2025, his government will be committed to intensifying efforts to lower this cost by boosting food production and promoting local manufacturing of essential drugs and other medical supplies. He said that with diligent work and God's help, his administration will achieve this goal and provide relief to all our people. On a personal note, he said, "Thank you for placing your confidence in me as your president. Your trust humbles me, and I promise to continue serving you diligently and wholeheartedly. I seek your cooperation and collaboration at all times as we pursue our goal of $1 trillion economy. Let us stay focused and united. We are on the right path to building a great Nigeria that will work for everyone." Tinubu further commended governors who have embraced our compressed natural gas initiative by launching CNG-propelled public transport, and congratulating those who have adopted electric vehicles as part of our national energy mix and transition. He said the federal government will always offer necessary assistance to the states. Conclusively, President Tinubu says, "All citizens, your sacrifices have not been in vain over the past 19 months. I assure you that they will not be in vain even in the months ahead. Together, let us stay the course of nation building. The new year will bring us closer to the brighter future we all desire and the Nigeria of our dreams. God bless you all, and may God bless our beloved country," he said. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real-time updates and exclusive videos.